The odds of existing at all in this world are slim to none. So the odds of you and I existing at the same time, in the same place, must be next to impossible. And I find that to be the most beautiful of things, because maybe, just after all, the universe does work in my favor, because I didn't just get the chance to know you, I was gifted with the idea of loving you. To meet a beautiful woman is one thing, but to meet your best friend and the most beautiful of women is entirely apart. It is because of you and this kind soul of yours that I can feel myself slowly but surely drifting towards the me I have always dreamed of being since I was a child. It is because of you and all of this that I promise to cherish your loving soul for the rest of my life, no matter what the odds may be.
As we take this next step together to start the rest of our lives, I want to commit a few promises to you. I promise to make you laugh, as you've made me laugh every single day for the past 6 years. I promise to challenge you, as you challenge me to face my fears and grow stronger. I promise to keep you safe, as you keep me safe from the harshness of the world. I promise to enable you to be the best version of yourself that you can be, because you bring out the best version of me every day.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, please rise and help me welcome our guests of honor, Mr. and Mrs. Ethan and Tabbi.
Tabbi filled my space in my apartment and my place as someone to guide and love my brother. And I couldn't be happier that the person taking my place is her. My best friend is now my sister to take care of my built-in best friend.
Ethan, I know you look up to me, and not just physically. That motivates me, and I hope you know that. My job is not easy, but coming up behind me in life probably sucked too. You have all the things I lack: creativity, artistic ability, patience, the ability to sit back and actually observe a situation without butting in. You use words I've never heard of nor care to learn. Never change, but never stop growing. Tabbi, my sister, welcome, and I'm sorry in advance. To Tabbi and Ethan from Lindsay and I,